Question number 70. From the last paragraph, it can be inferred that. So it's another inferential question, but this is a specific inferential question. It's located in the last paragraph. So if we read the last paragraph, it talks about these are imaginary examples, but they point to a connection between privacy and autonomy that is often missed in contemporary debates. Now this talks about, the examples that were given in the previous paragraph, but the most important line of this paragraph is when the NSA hoovers and stores a citizen's data, even incidentally, the worry is not merely instrumental. It isn't just about what might happen to the data. Of course, we should be worried about that. It might be used improperly to exploit or manipulate us. So it talks about the NSA storing the citizen's data. Now A says the author used imaginary examples that are as good as or better than real life examples. Now there is no comparison of examples given. The first line is just a case build up. Hence, we don't have sufficient data to infer this. Option B says the government isn't forcing us to make a decision but still undermining our autonomy. Well, the NSA storing your data can be taken as an example of undermining our autonomy. So, and in the fourth paragraph, there's talked about this um, impulse buy, which shows what autonomy can be or how it can be challenged. So B can be reasonably inferred from that. C says there is an insidious and invisible harm that the government can subject every citizen to. Now, the word harm is not mentioned here because, yes, we have a fear that the data may be used in the wrong way, but the word harm is not defined, and of course, the adjectives insidious and invisible, they're too strong, and we don't have sufficient data to conclude them. Option D says certain invasions of privacy are acceptable. Now, this doesn't fit with the tone of the author because he has cautioned us, and he has asked us to be worried about it because something, might, or the data might be used to exploit us. So the tone is definitely not positive. Hence, option D can be eliminated, and B is the right answer.